Video. Here we go.
Take off flaps.
We're gonna switch. I'm gonna be on your
Always, yeah.
Timer cleared.
Let's go.
Gear up. Flaps up.
You're alright. Yep. I'll be close to us.
Off.
Oh
Gyro
shit, look at my
initialized.
canopy. Okay.
Oh, that's it? Yeah, I see it. God dang bugs!
Gear down.
Was that a thermal?
Landing flaps. Time remaining 2
You
minutes.
got lucky it didn't fall off out there.
I know. It was actually my plane was actually going
Gear up. Flaps up.
I'm just gonna putt around waiting for you. When you're ready to take off, tell me, and then I'll join up in the air. Let me turn around and join up with you.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Right about now, go.
That was cool.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, we got that big ass tank at the bottom.
You do? Oh, that's alright. It doesn't affect it.
30 seconds.
I don't know.
Let's see if we keep it closer. We usually do better.
We haven't been flying.
That's true.
What the hell was that noise? Didn't sound good.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
I'm not worried about
2,
time.
1. Time
Downdraft.
expired.
There we go. That you go?
Sure.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Weird wind.
Flaps up. Gear up. Gear down. Landing flaps.
I just wanted to catch up, that's why I put everything away. Whoa, weird thermals. Oh, and I sped up again.
Flaps up. Gear up. 1 minute over.
Hello.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
It's not just you. It's just that way. Period. The wind is there's thermals and stuff everywhere.
Flaps up. Gear up. Landing flaps. Gear down.
Jesus. I think there's a thermal right there at the end of the runway.
Terrible landing.
But we couldn't help it.
Flaps up. Gear up.
So you feel it now?
Oh yeah.
That's
now
why.
Yeah.
That was a thermal.
It's a terrible, like, freaking.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
Woo!
Flaps up. Gear up. Over.
I'm gonna do a fast pass. Let's do it. I'll be closest to us. We're not really together, but.
Gear down.
Sorry.
Landing flaps.
I'm coming in. I don't know what my battery's at.
Oh!
Are you okay?
There goes my canopy.
Again?
Again.
I see it. It's close. Just don't get all.
Flaps
Make sure
up.
it's not covered in chiggers when you get it. It came off again?
Yeah, what the fuck?
Should have been latched though. It's right there. It's a headless horseman.
I don't even. I know
right here.
it's somewhere. Okay.